So welcome everyone of the day 5 of Navaratri. Okay, so if you're not watched my previous video, so go and watch my videos. And today is the day is represents the goddess Kanda Mata, right? The motherly love and protection. So let's talk about today. So that truly protects your journey and shapes your journey. So that is attitude. So one thing I want to share you guys to you want to achieve something new, right? So to achieving that success or achievement, if you want to do something new, so it's not only about your knowledge or your talents. It's only about attitudes, because attitudes will be represent how you facing that your challenges, okay, and how you can grow your life. Everything will be matter, and also how you can connect with people also will be matter. So what is that right attitude mean? So it simply means how you can approaching your life with the positivity and with open mind, and to how you can facing that challenges and to move forward with the growth. And also you can take it every challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. So that is the reason that right attitude is matters. So this is only I have shared in that the chapter or chapter 5. So being with that right attitude, having the right attitudes will be really matters in your life to finding that true purpose of your life. So I have shared that one story. So actually I have written the story. So that is three bird story, that cuckoo and peacock and that crow. So they are the three birds. But what happens like with the three birds, they will be become differentiate themselves. I am good. They start telling themselves they are good, they are beautiful, something like that. But crow keeping sharing that to crow, you are ugly, something like that. So in that time, what situation happened? That is everything the story I have shared in the book. So I have shared that cuckoo, peacock, and crow story to finding that right attitudes. Okay, so and also, so the reason why being with the right attitudes matters also very important. It really shapes your life, and also you're getting that lot more opportunities also. So I have shared that practical steps, secrets, and many more things with the stories, and you will really like it. So by shaping that, when you start reading that, it really you will understand that what is that right attitude and how it really helpful for you. Okay, so then you will start realize this day of the Navaratri. Okay, so how I am being there in the fast. Yes, I have to change in my life with taking that right actions, being with the right moment. Okay, so by thinking that in the right way, so everything will be matters in your life, and also you will understand getting that real purpose of your life, and you will start taking that action towards to that. Then you will achieve that success very faster. Okay, so do not miss guys to pre-order my book. So I have shared that link in that description. So click on that link and order my book today itself, so you will get that free gift now as a audio book. Okay, so you can listen that the book in it's by listening only. Then after that few days you'll receive that book also. After that I'm launching my book. Okay, so till that time you will receive that as a bonus gift as well. If you are in the first 10, I will personally call you to finding that I help you to find that true purpose of your life by understanding you. So that is the reason. So let's meet everyone for the tomorrow. I will come up with that powerful lessons and stories, everything, and being there. And let's meet everyone tomorrow. Thank you.